Hey guys, what's up? It's Dylan here with a little vlog, and I just wanted to film my kitty. First time we're letting her outside in the daytime, because we did it once at night. Her name is Sarah Belle. Also, here's my lovely family: Emma, Kaden, my mom. I don't think she wants to be on YouTube. Nope, but she got put on it anyways. Okay, back to the kitty cat. Oh gosh, terrible lighting. I'm gonna get out of the way.
And we have one more pet. And it's a dog.
Bella, no.
No, Bella.
You wanna get up? You wanna get up? She hasn't gotten up. She only got up once. I think she's a little tired. Come on, get up. No, don't bite me. She bit me anyways. Oh yeah, here's lovely Bella. I'm sorry if I accidentally turned the phone upside down. This was supposed to be a short little vlog, and I'm gonna show off one more of our pets, and Nyla, right here.
And we have,
Oh,
and we have 3 more.
Nyla. Oh, no.
Ah, dang it.
He's trying to show off all the fish. Okay. Oh, perfect lighting. Here, I'm gonna set y'all down right here so y'all can see her without it shaking. Oh, that's hard. Get away from the phone, Bella. Move.
Dylan.
Let's get out. Oh! Okay. I gotta pick up the phone now. She's on the move. Kitty got startled when Bella just jumped right by her. Bella, what do you gotta say for that? Oh, Nyla come. Nyla came back out. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here.
Have a good day.
Like, subscribe. Have a great day.
Yep.
And
Peace.
give a like if you like our cat. Comment down below if you like Bella.
Comment down below if you like Nyla.
Yeah. Bye.
Have